Hi HBNL families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your standing round neck to a well balanced and accurate one. So let's get started. The first thing you will do is that you will turn your round neck inward like this. So after turning it, you will place it on the machine foot and you will sew in just a finger of that machine foot. You will sew it all around the round neck. So after finishing the sewing like this, I will turn it back. So I will turn it back like this, and I will make a top stitch starting from the shoulder seam area like this. So I will make sure that my top stitch hold down the inner part I sew now around the neck. After finishing with the stitches, this is how accurate it will looks like. If you derive any value from this video, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks.